Chicken Road App Game Review. Legit or scam? Chicken Road App Game Review. Legit or scam? Chicken Road is a mobile app game that has recently gained attention for its casual gameplay and in-game rewards. But the question is it a legitimate game, or is it a scam targeting users? Most people get this wrong by assuming that any app available on official app stores is completely safe. The surprising truth is that Chicken Road is legitimate as a game. You can download it, play, and enjoy its content without major issues. Users report fun gameplay, simple controls, and basic reward systems. You won't believe what happens next. Some players have reported in-app purchase issues or delayed reward credits. While these problems are frustrating, they are common in mobile games and don't necessarily indicate a scam. The key is to avoid sharing personal information outside the app and to make purchases only through official App Store payment systems. Do enjoy Chicken Road safely. Keep your app updated, check user reviews before downloading, and avoid third-party websites claiming to give free in-game rewards. These are usually scams. In conclusion, Chicken Road is a legitimate mobile game with minor technical hiccups, but it is not a scam. By using standard safety precautions, you can enjoy the app without worrying about losing personal information or money.